Welcome to week 6 of our class. This week, you should continue reading your book because next week you'll have a chance to plan with your book talk team. You should be at least halfway through the book, if not further, so you can have your conversation next week. This week, you'll also be turning in your notes about the readings from this week and last week. So last week, you read about Schlesinger's work as well as looking at Hirsch's curriculum, what every student should know by grade level. This week, you were reading different points of view, Gloria Ladson-Billings and Tyrone Howard around culturally responsive kinds of practices for the curriculum and our students to learn. You'll be submitting your notes, 3 important concepts or quotes from each of the authors that you've read out of the 4, and then your own paragraph around reflecting on those points for each author. So a paragraph for each of the 4 authors. Finally, it's Group 4's turn to post their TED Talks, the 3 to 5 minute video that reflects on a contemporary education issue of their choice. They need to post by Wednesday night so that the rest of us can interact with their TED Talks and at least 2 people that you're choosing from those posts to comment on and give some more questions and thoughts on your own. The people in Group 4 will be communicating throughout the week with the posts on their own posting with what they've done for their video and the other classmates' points of view. Thanks, everyone. Have a wonderful week.